Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Tableau permissions for workbook subscriptions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Tableau permissions for workbook subscriptions, start by opening Tableau server or Tableau online in your log in with your credentials to access the dashboard. Navigate to the content area where the workbook resides. Locate the specific workbook you want to set permissions for. Click on the workbook name to open its details page. On the Workbook Details page, find the Permissions tab. Click on the Permissions tab to view the current access settings. Here, you will see a list of users and groups who have permissions for the workbook. To add a new user or group, click on the Add a User or Add a Group button. In the search bar, type the name of the user or group you want to authorize. Select the user or group from the search results. Once selected, choose the appropriate permissions from the drop-down menu. After configuring the permissions, click the Apply button to save your changes. Review the permissions list to ensure the new user or group has the correct access. If needed, you can adjust individual permissions by clicking the corresponding edit icon next to each user or group. To verify the subscription capability, ask the user to navigate to the workbook and check for the subscription options. By following these steps, you have successfully authorized Tableau permissions for workbook subscriptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.